Hello, my name is Jamie Emming, and this is my final digital search story. My research question is why would I want to use Airbnb as a service over staying at a trusted hotel or resort? The first thing I searched was Airbnb benefits. The results I got were directed towards working for the company, so Airbnb benefits if you were to work for them. So obviously, that's not what I wanted. However, I did find one website, and it is called The Pros and Cons of Using Airbnb. So, this article, my overall reaction is very straightforward. It has really good content as far as what Airbnb is and how it works. Everything that they say is backed up by statistics, and they have links so where you can go to read more. I didn't really get a sense of any bias just because they're just stating what Airbnb is and how you can use it. However, this article is 2 years old, so I would like to see something a little bit more current. And this author has a little bio on this page. She's an avid writer about investing and trading, so she knows a lot about this topic. This website does have an About Us page, so that was good. It talks about their CEO, their CRO, it goes in depth on everybody. Well, my first source was a good place to start. I wanted to see them compared, so hotels versus Airbnb. So I googled, in quotations, Airbnb versus hotel. This was a very popular topic. I have tons of new current articles on this. So I ended up clicking on the one by Columbus Direct. And when I clicked on here, I found that this website was super neat, super organized. I love this little chart that they have made. Overall, it's a pretty good website. However, it's for a travel insurance company, so they emphasize a lot on like the insurance. So, hotels are backed and, have things to protect them, whereas Airbnb may not. The article, I can't really click on her name. I'm sure it works for this company. They do have an About Us page, so that is good. I wouldn't necessarily say this article is biased, however, they advocate their insurance company a little bit, so it's just something to keep in mind. This is over a little, it's over 2 years old. So again, I'd like to see something a little bit newer, but definitely a better start. After reading that article, I realized that the hotel industry and Airbnb, they're really fighting back and forth to see who can be better. So I wanted to see the impact it's having on the hotel industry. So I ended up searching the impact of Airbnb on the hotel industry. Then there's a lot of articles on how the two are present in the world right now. So I ended up clicking on this Forbes link, and it's called Cheaper Rooms for Travelers, Less Revenue for Hotels. So after reading this article, I learned that Airbnb is becoming so popular, so hotels are trying to retaliate and come up with better rates to look more appealing. So I was super happy to see that this article was also written in February, so just a couple months ago, by Dina, and she is just a businesswoman who is a contributor of this article. I also didn't think this article was biased. It just states a lot of statistics, and it just really compares like the two and what's going on right now. To answer my research question, I really think that after reading all these articles, it's really just about it's what you want, and it's up to you. There's benefits and disadvantages to both.